Hey Transformation Challengers, Coach Julian here with a message for you on your first week of the Transformation Challenge. I just want to talk to you a little bit about SMART goals. So SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time specific. So when you're setting goals, you want to think about these 5 components, starting with specific. Now, what is your goal? What would you like to achieve? What are the certain components that you have to achieve to reach that goal? Think about all these things before you set them. I want to feel good is a great goal, but what exactly does that mean? Now, measurable. Make sure that you're choosing some metrics that you can track along your journey. The Transformation Challenge is 8 weeks, so maybe pick something like fat percentage. You could choose dumbbells if you're going heavier, base pace on the treadmill, some components with rowing. There's tons of different things that you can use to measure your progress along the way. Next one is achievable. Now, this is something you can reach out to your coaches and ask, hey, I'd like to achieve X. Is it possible to do it within the 8 weeks? Sometimes we might say it's not, and it might take a little bit longer, right? So we want to make sure that your goal is achievable over this 8 weeks. Next one is relevant. This is your why. All right, why do you want to achieve this goal? What is it going to do for you in your life? How is it going to expand your health and wellness? All right, so think about this one very closely and make sure that you've gotten this one down. Next one is time specific. So making sure that you're setting up checkpoints along the way will lead to greater success in the long run. And then lastly, just remember that this is just the beginning, right? 8 weeks is just the start of your fitness journey. Use the coaches. If you ever want to sit down and have a consult with myself or any of the other coaches, please reach out. We're here for you guys. So good luck along this journey. We're pulling for you.